2 degrees higher world. What will happen when the Earth's temperature gets 2 degrees higher? You may hear that global warming and greenhouse gases are serious problems. This is the most hazardous things that can happen to us. In the warm Earth, the ozone will absorb trapped heat inside the Earth. As a result, the iceberg in the warmer state will melt down. Then our coastline will rise up so that Incheon International Airport can be submerged in near future. Siberian and Canadian frozen land will melt. The methane gas inside of them will come out. The gas is 4 times stronger greenhouse gas than carbon dioxide. If we start to trigger only 2 degrees higher temperature than before the Industrial Revolution, the Earth itself will heat up more and more. In the end, 80% of living things can be extinguished. Then how can we stop this expected tragedy? Before we talk about the way to fix this problem, why is global warming happening? It's quite simple. It's because we are making greenhouse gases. One of the most famous gases are carbon dioxide. We are making greenhouse gases 100 times more than nature by using fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas. Fossil fuels are from all trees and living things even before we were living on the earth. They decompose for millions of years under the pressure of water or land. These are non-renewable and have a high energy density. Fossil fuels is a major source of carbon dioxide. So what we should do to stop global warming? In 2015, 195 countries agreed to limit the carbon limit in Paris. This is called the Paris Agreement for Climate Change. South Korea aims for carbon neutrality until 2050. It means we have to make oxygen as much as we emit carbon. This way is increasing oxygen with seaweed. It sounds weird, right? However, do you know that plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, which is called photosynthesis? Trees are the best plants for this process. Then why did I say seaweed instead of trees? It's because seaweed grows fast, like really fast. Trees usually takes time to grow for decades, but seaweed only takes 1 year to grow. It's 100 times faster than a tree. Seaweeds absorb over 200 tons of CO2 annually in the whole world. This is the same amount as New York's annual emission. Secondly, we need to use renewable energy instead of fossil fuel. It is an energy that doesn't have a limited amount. Sunlight, water, and wind are the examples of renewable energy. Electricity demand will increase a lot as the population rises. Our appliances and even the car use electricity. Then how to make electricity is an important problem. One company made solar cow, which is set up in a developing country school. The cow is not real, but it has photovoltaic cells to make electricity. While students are in school, they charge their batteries used at home. These developing nations need a power grid, and they should make their microgrid using renewable energy without using fossil fuels. In conclusion, it is important to grow seaweed and make microgrids, etc. Achieving carbon neutrality is an important factor to human life as carbon dioxide. The gas is considered a waste to humans. Carbon dioxide levels skyrocketed in recent years. Hence, it is a huge global sector to global warming. Thank you for listening, and together we can create a better world for all of us.